The road to the presidency goes through Tel Aviv. And the reason is because of the money.
It appears that even though we elect these political people into the positions, or at least before they start doing the new thing where they're still in the elections, but at some point in the 21st century, we were voting and electing people. But we thought that we were electing them to represent American citizens, when in fact, as it relates to the national interest, it appears that's never been the case. When have you gone and taken what Dr. Cynthia McKinney shared with all of us, Congresswoman, and then gone further and then asked specifically to your congressional people, have you made a pledge to Israel? Who's done that? And why haven't all of us gone to see, have you made a pledge to protect the interests of Israel?